Hi everyone, my name is Mireya. For this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a real life clean my bathroom with me. And this is about as real as it could get. It's a nasty, so nasty, gross bathroom and it needs cleaning. So I'm going to be doing that today. So this is about as real as it could get. A real messy bathroom. It's nasty. Don't get grossed out. I'm going to clean it up today. So let's just get right into it. I hope that you guys are ready for this 3-day super speed clean with me video. I'm going to start off with the bathroom, and any area in my home that I clean, I always start off by putting things away. This is so embarrassing. I don't know how I let it get this bad, but it happens. My bathroom is a mess, so I'm going to be putting everything away, everything in its place, throwing things that need to be thrown away. Then I'm going to be moving on to the bathtub. And this is a messy area itself. It's so bad. It had mold, or I'm not sure what that's called, but it's that soap scum that's left under your shampoo and all of your bath products. I'm going to be making sure to clean all of that. I'm going to be using a different powder this time. I usually use the Hacks or the Comet cleaner, but I have this one that I purchased about a year ago with some other cleaning products, so I'm going to be using that. I'm going to be removing my shower curtain first, and this was a big surprise to me. Hey, híjoles. In case you're asking, I have a bleeding disorder, so I bruise a lot really easily. I get those comments a lot. Anyways, I didn't realize how nasty mold, how the shower curtain was. That is gross, so nasty. For years, I was tired of using the replaceable or the disposable shower curtains, so I decided to purchase one that you could just throw in your washer and dryer. I didn't know that you had to wash it like quite frequently, otherwise the mold starts creeping up on you. I don't really know if I like this shower curtain. I think I'll just stick to the disposable ones because I've never had any issues with those. Yes, I know they're disposable and I have to throw them out, but I clean those more often. And this one here, you have to wash it maybe once a week, and I'm lazy, guys. I don't know about you guys, if you guys use the disposable ones or the one that you wash, but I'm pretty lazy. Like, I rather buy the disposable one, or maybe down the future I'll probably try it again. I'll buy the ones that you can wash, and I'll have to wash it like once a week maybe. This is my honest opinion and my first time using the washable curtains. This washable curtain, not only did it accumulate mold and I couldn't really see it when I was showering, well, at least not all of it until I took it off. It was also accumulating a lot of gunk. I don't even know all that stuff that was being accumulated there. So it was a bit hard to wash as well. I had to like scrub at it. Then I'm going to be moving on to cleaning my mirror. I just used a little bit of soap and then my squeegee. Then I'm going to be cleaning my bathroom sink and putting things away, cleaning the bathroom sink. Then I'm going to be moving on to cleaning the toilet. I'm using the toilet bowl cleaner, the Lime Away from the dollar store or Dollar Tree. I've been using that for a while. I'm also using the Lime Away toilet bowl cleaner for my floors. It helps a lot. I have a video on my channel. It's TikTok hacks on how to clean your floor, and that really helped. To finish off with my toilet, I'm going to disinfect. I'm also going to be disinfecting the trash can. Then I'm going to be sweeping and mopping, and that's pretty much it here for my bathroom. I also put a liquid to clean the plumbing. I do that maybe once or twice a year. Sometimes it could get clogged up with hairs or anything that can go down the drain, so I like to do that as well. Then I'm going to be moving on to cleaning the bathroom linen closet. This is where we put our towels, our toothbrushes, perfume, deodorant, all that good stuff. Now, to start off, as I mentioned in the beginning, I always like to take everything out. This goes, or I use this step or this rule that I follow for anywhere that I'm cleaning in my home. It could be the kitchen, it could be the bathroom. And for this occasion, it's going to be the closet, the linen closet. So I'm going to be taking everything out, and this is what I do. I like to do this just so I can see what all needs to be thrown away, what I'm going to be keeping. I did take everything out. When I was done cleaning my linen closet, now this video was filmed a while back, I decided to clean my closet or my bathroom closet once again. I didn't like the way that I cleaned it this time because I pretty much put everything back inside. Now I'm trying to get rid of things, and if you saw my video last week, it was an extreme hoarder's cleaning. I've become a hoarder and I'm so embarrassed. So I'm trying to get rid of more things in my house, trying to clean and organize better. So when I was watching this video and editing this video that you're watching now, I was a bit disappointed with myself. I'm like, I didn't really get rid of a lot of things. So for my next video, next week, I will be sharing with you guys how I cleaned my linen closet, and I purchased a few organizers just to make it look better and organize myself a bit. I did get rid of some organizers. I got rid of a lot of things. It was one big trash bag full of stuff. So stay tuned for that video next week. And for this video, it's just going to be pretty much like an organization, but I'm keeping mostly everything, which that's what made me feel a bit disappointed with myself, because I know I need to get rid of a lot of things. Like, I don't feel that I need all these things. I'm trying to minimize my life, minimize my home. This is obviously a process. It's not going to be like from day to night or from one day to the other, but slowly but surely I'm getting it done. Moving on to my dining room kitchen area. This is like one whole area together. So I like to start off with the dining room. I clean the table, then I like to put the chairs on top of the table. That way it's easier for me to sweep, and then I'm going to be mopping. This time I'm going to be vacuuming the back of my couches. I opened up the Velcro and I noticed that it had a whole bunch of, crumbs from when we eat in the couches, snacks. It was bad. I used my vacuum for that. Then I'm going to be picking everything up, putting everything in its place. And then I'm going to be washing the dishes, cleaning my stove, microwave, sweep and mop everything. And then I'm going to be moving on to the living room. I'm going to be cleaning my tile flooring. And it's really hard to clean these floors because I feel like it has some very small holes where all the dust
gets trapped, and then when I'm mopping, it turns the dust into mud. So it's really hard to clean these floors. I do want to get a vacuum in the future, or I think it's like yeah, I think it's a vacuum to clean these floors. It's a bit expensive, so I'm saving up for it. So you'll probably be seeing that later on once I have saved enough money to purchase it. I mean, it's not that expensive, but it's something that it's not in my budget at the moment. So yeah, I'm just gonna be using, as always, my broom and then sweeping and then mopping. And lately I've also been vacuuming the floors now that I have a vacuum, that I purchased one. So I've been vacuuming that, and it's helped a lot. Just the cleaning process much faster. It's not that I'm being lazy because I don't want to sweep. It's just that it's much easier because these floors, as I mentioned, it has like these little holes where it traps the dust or the dirt, and then when I'm mopping, it turns it into mud. So the vacuum has been helping. So yeah, you'll be seeing that later on in this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video, that it motivates you guys to get cleaning. I've been watching some videos, cleaning videos myself, and it really has motivated me to cleaning, and I've been doing that a lot. Like, I feel like that's like my hobby, or what I do, what I've been doing lately. And I don't film all of the videos where I'm cleaning, but I've actually been doing more cleaning than I have done in the prior years, where my house is just getting messier and dirtier, and it's really hard to keep up. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep going. Thank you guys so much for watching. May God bless you all, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye. And don't forget to give me that thumbs up. Give me that like. Hit that like. It really does help my video. That way it gets shared more here on YouTube. Thanks so much. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.